He said before Allah has created this world and people, was Iblees obedient to God or not, or he was also mutakabbar, rebelliant, arrogant, especially during the time of Hadrat Adam, and that is because he thinks that man was made out of clay, and why God Almighty did change the creation and made them out of clay.
See, the Holy Quran says, وَخَلَقَ الْجَانَّ مِنْ قَبْلِهِ مِنْ نَارٍ مِنْ مَارِجٍ مِنْ نَارٍ. So Iblees was always rebellious, because nar has the capacity of breaking. You see, wet earth has the capacity of growing things. So when the earth is wet, all sorts of greenery grows from it. But if you put it to nar, it will break everything, it will destroy everything which has been grown. So that is why Iblees in his nature is rebellious. But the question would be, if he is from nar, how would he be punished? Because if you put nar into nar, you can't be punished. That nar cannot be punished. But it's a fantastic thing of relativity. In relative terms, nar which is of less degree, if that is thrown into a nar of very high degree, that will burn. So people do not understand the Quranic terminology because they don't understand the relativity. So Iblees will be punished for misguiding people, not just for being created from nar, because that was not his own fault, but his fault was to destroy what was good for man and to continue destroying. And he sought permission from Allah that I will turn your ibad into my ibad. So it was this hoax of his Iblees which makes him worthy of punishment, and I have already explained how he will be punished.